This quick video is to show you how to remove part of a design using Q-matic. So we're going to place this design on our screen. I'm going to slide it over. I'm going to zoom in on it. Use center zoom. This shell is part of an OESD collection called 4 Seasons Quilting. And of course you would have to take it into Art and Stitch and convert it to a BQM design and then bring it in to edit it in Q-matic. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take all this fluff out around and just leave this shell in the middle because we want to use this shell in part of our blocks. So we're going to open the trim feature. The first thing we're going to do is trim across the bottom here. So we're going to use horizontal, and then we need to invert it because we want the bottom part of it. And we need to check jump stitch. We want all of this to go away, so we want no jump stitches. So we're going to preview, and the bottom half of the design is gone. We're going to select the design again. We're going to open trim. We're going to set on the screen, select a design, add an angle, and make sure you select jump stitch. I'm going to click right between these two areas of the design, and then I think I'll bring it up just a little bit. We need to invert it because the black is going to go away. And we're going to preview, and that part of the design is gone. So select the design again, open trim, once again add an angle, and jump stitch. We're going to place our line here. The first one sets the pivot point, the second one anchors it. So we love that. We're going to preview and confirm. Then we're going to slide the design up on the screen just a little bit. And we're going to select it one more time. Open trim, add an angle, jump stitch, place our line. That first one is the anchor. The second one, the first one's the pivot point. The second one's the anchor. And see how it caught that right there? I'm just going to scoot it over just a little bit. We're going to invert because we want the black to go away. We're going to preview, and that part of the design is gone. Select it, trim, angle, jump stitch, place the line. First point is the pivot point. Second point is the trim angle, and preview. That part's gone. Let's slide this design down a little bit more. Select it again. Trim, angle, jump stitch. We want it to go right through here. We've got to invert. Get the black part in the right spot. Once again, select for the last time. Open trim, add an angle, jump stitch, place your line, and preview. So now we've trimmed away all the outside part of that block design, and now we are ready to stitch it. If you wanted to save this design and use it in a different project, you could certainly save it as a BQM design through File and Save as a design, and then you could import it into your library. And this shell is part of 4 Seasons collection from OESD, and it is 12860.